What's up, guys, and welcome back to KL's Clubhouse family. We are back with another vlog. And in today's banger, I'm about to be showing you something super exciting. But before I do, I need everyone watching to pause the video and go subscribe right now to the best family on YouTube. Here's 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey! Welcome to the best family on YouTube. And when we mean the best family, we mean you guys. Now that you subscribe, go hit the notification bell, because we're dropping the bangers on KL's Clubhouse family
almost every day.
And today's about to be a lit one because I'll show you guys in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's give them the countdown.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yo! I made a sock puppet. His name is Isaac. Just like this Isaac over here. Right?
That's right. We have the same name.
Over here.
Hopefully it's not too confusing when we're both here.
Yeah. Anyways, that's basically it for the vlog.
Do you want to speak
if
a
you
little bit?
enjoyed
with
this vlog, I'm going to get Puppet Isaac to say, go subscribe, because we're dropping the bangers on KL's Clubhouse family almost every day. Well, peace. Deuces.